So I just finished day 23 of insanity, and I just did cardio, power, and resistance. Remember, say me not do the week here according to how it's supposed to go, because me never really feel like the one at one time, because me never have enough time, and it's two things Shaun did want me to do. Somebody stop them up. So now the birthday gone. We never do nothing for that whole weekend. Birthday gone now, and school is coming to an end, so we don't have no excuse for this something disjointed. So as of next week now, we have to start doing something proper. And anybody else who is doing insanity, who have school and them something there in school, don't no excuse time, don't you know, have no reason, you have to start workout again. So I'm just the day 23, and I mean, one, like when I do the workout, them sometimes you find yourself like you play, like, you know, when you're skipping and like the something that goes so, and you would up on the side like you say room for rent, apply with it, like you get ready for jumping, but you know the exercise them, like sometimes when him like him some must do hit the floor them. We not really hit the floor, you know, like for the first 4 hours, so I just do so. I turn from side to side, but me not really hit no floor. Like me I gear up my body for when me start all them type of workout there, but me not really do it properly. And in the time when me not work out, because me do it so sporadically, me shoulder forget how to do the V push up something there, because me try to do it today, my arm just wobble and me drop on my face. Mama just take the drop, because me say, you know what, you deserve it, because you've been very sporadic with your workout. So it coming like when you not pay attention, you just lose your fitness. And I mean, one find it strange where all the girl them go up on them toe, like everybody like when you say set up for the V push up, and the people them definitely a balance on them toe point. I don't really feel so that right. I don't feel that right for your work up on your toe point. You are not a ballerina. Like I could understand if you was, but you are not. And you ever see when you have a whole heap of things I'm gonna ask if you ever no, this is the last one. You ever see when like the people them are work out, right? And Shaun come to put him on pan them, like him want rearrange them. And he coming like him shove them down, like him a shove them down, because Shaun feels that he's light as a feather, you know. But what he needs to understand is that he's made out of bricks. Let me see the girl, she in her tricep dip something so, and Shaun come up behind her, and like him a say, put your hip down. And the one touch her, the girl, bloop, like she want to drop down a ground. Him heavy, you know. Him need to understand the strength I'm on. Anyway, so today, me do the little jumping jack, what jack squat, what's in where we do in place of the jumping jack today, where you do so like the power jacks. Yes, me do them there, and them come out all right, and it turn out nice, and I'm getting better in the plank, because sometimes when I'm going at the plank, my body just, you know, my body just kind of wobble. But now I'm getting better in the plank. Although it will give me some feelings in my chest, but I figure that is pecs. So I figure say, no, when me ready, me can go beach and like make one part of my chest move. Like, you know, the man who make up on beach, like whoop, 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 them type of. So of course, being a girl, it might look a bit different when I do it. But I don't see why I should limit myself. So all of these things there. So Ray, back to insanity. Who boss week 4. We nearly reach the end now. We just like we nearly reach halfway through. Anybody who is doing it with me, we nearly reach here. So if you're doing it with me, you're actually probably finished by now. Congratulations to you. But we're coming. We're coming, and we're gonna start this thing, and we're gonna get through it. 30 we say, and all type of fit up and them type of something that we say. And Ray, big up yourself until such time. No workout tomorrow. Wednesday. I will see you again on Wednesday. Bye.